Biodiversity is, can I say, what you actually see in a truly natural environment.
Yes.
In existence, biodiversity is, for example, if you go to a forest, let's say Mount Kenya forest, and there has not been much interference. And so there's a variety of all kinds of plants, what you may say, weeds, herbs, and all this.
Yes.
And the importance of biodiversity is that natural environment where all these things are in existence, even the animals and even the plants, the insects, they're able to sustain themselves. For example, if you go to a forest, Mount Kenya forest, if you go to the Amazon, these are places where they coexist and are able to replicate. Even if a tree falls down, they're able to, others have the pores are there, they can grow. When the trees are growing, they're attracting the rainfall. It is a natural cycle. When you go to an area where there's no much biodiversity is where you find like monocultures. Let's say, for example, in the West, where you have huge plantations of maize. Or if you go into Narok and you have a huge plantation of maize or wheat. That system is not biodiverse. When you have that monoculture, you have many challenges, for example, of weeds, insects that are able to attack that particular crop, if it's wheat, if it's maize. Because when you have a biodiverse environment, let's say in your backyard, you keep it as natural as possible. So you grow all kinds of products, sukuma wiki, spinach, onions, pilipili. That environment is a push and pull for different factors. For example, if the aphids or the insects want to attack the vegetables, the onions and the pepper are able to repel them away. And that's why we promote a lot of this biodiversity conservation. In everywhere, be it the forest environment, the marine environment, everywhere that we go, keeping it as natural as possible. If you look at, for example, our oceans now, there's a big challenge with the pollution with plastics. Whales are dying, and when the scientists do dissection or the stomach bursts, it's full of plastics. That's not natural, and that's why a lot of questions are being raised about even our marine environment and the pollution being caused by a lot of the plastic products. Yes, in Kenya we have banned our plastic paper bags, but the plastic bottles and all this are still a big threat.
Available,
and it's important that we move towards more ways to conserve and sustain our environment.